Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to use UpHex for real estate. So guys, log in to your account on UpHex and write your business name, for example, real estate. As you can see here guys, after that click next and this is your name and your client guys. You can connect your ad account here and you can import your template from our library and you can add give high level plugin and you can book onboarding call and you can launch your campaign. Click this one option and you can connect your Facebook ads guys or your Google. As you can see here, I want to connect my Google. After that guys, you find the different ads and template. As you can see here, dashboard, and you can launch your new campaign. As you can see here, choose platform Google and click save. You can find template here guys on your dashboard. As you can see here, this is different template you can use. You can scroll down. I can find the real estate template directly guys. So what you can do, I choose professional service and scroll down, choose this for real estate. This is option here guys. Click with this option and this you can different ads on Google and Facebook. You can see here this count, this big number, and this ad copy for this real estate ads. Choose guys one. As you can see here, you can write details. Click this option details and you can find this ad copy. Scroll down, you can choose this one and after that click this one and you can import to your account easily. Click this import my account and wait a few seconds and you can use this easy. So guys, template is imported successfully to my account and just choose platform Google like example and you can create template with Google. Write your template name and add text and add media and choose category professional service and Google network and add your landing page here. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content.